Now, in some big news that WION has been tracking as developments take place after widespread protests and violence in Bangladesh that killed over 300 people, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has resigned and fled the country and reached Agartala in India. Her chopper has landed in Agartala, as our sources have confirmed, and the Army Chief of Bangladesh announced that an interim government will be formed. The chief has said that he has met members of the opposition, the main opposition party, that's the Bangladeshi Nationalist Party, and also Jamaat-e-Islami. No leader from Awami League were present in the meeting, and the army chief claims that they did call upon all the political parties. The army chief has further appealed for calm and urged the students to stop the protests immediately.
সমস্ত রাজনৈতিক দলের নেতৃবৃন্দকে এখানে আমন্ত্রণ করেছিলাম। ওনারা এখানে এসেছেন, আমরা একটা সুন্দর আলোচনা করেছি। সেখানে আমরা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি যে একটা ইন্টারিম গভর্নমেন্ট আমরা ফর্ম করব।